Hey guys! Welcome back to the Homies channel. I'm Ellie.
I'm Michelle.
And today we are watching Birds of Prey.
And we are Harley Quinns.
We are Harley Quinns. We were so inspired from the previous movie that we watched.
Suicide Squad.
Yeah, Suicide Squad.
Oh my god, I love this girl. She's
I love this girl, yeah.
definitely describing our emotions and how we feel and everything.
Like, yeah, every day. So,
yeah, definitely crazy. Okay, so
all right.
Yeah, before we continue, check the links down below for our Instagrams, for my OnlyFans, where you can find both of us there with more spicy content. And
for full reaction in Patreon.
Yeah.
And also early access you can get if you become a member here on YouTube. Ready? Oh, can't wait. Let's go.
You gotta start at the beginning.
Oh, her dialect is so cool. What?
Fine.
Too far.
This is me.
Oh, it's so cool that it's drawn.
When I was a kid, my dad traded me for a six-pack of beer. But
Really?
many times he tried to ditch me. Eventually, he found me a new home. Became a psychiatrist. That's when I met him.
Oh,
My Joker. Oh,
my Joker.
like out of a plane without a parachute right in your dumb fucking face kind of hard. I lost all sense of who I was. I only had eyes for pudding.
But then
Behind every successful man, there's a badass
The
boy.
Joker is
It was me. I
is so cool, of course.
some of Mr. J's greatest stunts.
what?
What? Really?
No.
Harley Quinn and Joker broke? No.
But Mr. J was super broke up about it. I had to find a new identity.
Are we
Oh
doing that?
no. I'm not broke.
It wasn't easy, but after a while, I even opened myself up to the possibility of new love.
Aina?
Oh, she loved it.
She was never Aina.
Take payment in kind.
Ah, let the hyena go. Oh, I knew it. Oh,
This is so
I thought that it was Scream, but
Soon enough, I was back
it's okay with this also.
to make new friends.
Oh, this is so us in a bar.
I said,
unfortunately, yeah.
Why unfortunately, I think.
Oh!
Go,
Yeah.
girl!
my fucking leg!
Yeah! By the way, I have kind of the same cloak. You remember on the festival?
Ah, yeah! Ah, really? Harley, come on, dude!
Oh well. Shit happens.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own. Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on. I knew I needed to find some way to show the world that I'd cut ties with Mr. J for good. Harley!
Hey, what, Harley? You manipulative, stupid bitches!
Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant.
Yes, yes, yes. Remember that scene?
Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh, really? She's so cute and
Oh, Harley.
try to forget. And this is where it ends.
Oh.
Oh,
Will this thing...
explode.
We will explode.
Whoa. Oh. I love how they dress her up. I really love it. Look at her thing.
I think I can feel her happiness in that moment, watching this exploding. Look how beautiful.
By the way, it's beautiful.
And they made it like with fireworks, but yeah, it is so beautiful.
It's chemicals. Oh, this is amazing scene.
But I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
should have got close before drawing.
Do you think they became friends
With who?
with the cop?
And Harley?
Yeah.
No.
Oh. This reminds me of Catwoman. You fucking. But if this is Catwoman, it will be so cool for our cosplay that we made.
Yeah, but I don't think it's her. It looks like some, I don't know, female Robin Hood.
Yeah,
The Catwoman is more
cattish.
What is it?
How she left it her trace, like.
Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up.
What?
This was their spot. She just publicly updated her relationship status. on herself.
A great pitch. Didn't I? I thought we could build something beautiful together.
Oh, this is his ear.
Are they peeling off his skin? I don't know, his ear.
No, it's the ear, I think. Oh, it's the face!
I'll set you free.
This is too brutal.
I don't think it's that easy to peel somebody's face.
Wanna try?
Yeah,
Alright then.
we'll try after this.
I think we can let her go. Is that a snot bubble? Ew, gross. Oh, I've changed my mind. Peel it off.
Oh!
Booger.
Not too much, Sal. Taste the cheese. What a way to start my new life. Perfect egg sandwich.
Her jacket is made from...
Yeah, this jacket is amazing.
Oh, I want it.
Yeah. Oh, her shoes are also really cool.
She's adorable.
Yeah. I think no one can play the role of...
Gotham PD!
No! Let her eat the sandwich!
Yeah, careful with the sandwich.
Yeah, this is the best sandwich ever, are you kidding? Where's the sandwich? Oh!
Take it.
And what's worse, every person I ever wronged now felt free to come and take their pound of flesh.
Oh!
Really?
Oh!
Oh, what she meant to this. It seems like the whole market is full of things of Harley Quinn. It's amazing. The driver!
The driver! Oh!
Okay, she's speaking to the her son.
No! The sandwich! The perfect sandwich! No!
It took losing something I truly love for me to see that the target on my back is bigger than I thought. I made a carefully calculated, highly strategic move.
Oh! Oh!
It was dumb.
With one bullet, all of the rabbits.
Harley Quinn,
Yeah,
Were you?
Yeah.
I've waited a long time for this.
you have. Oh, I haven't had breakfast yet. What did I do to you?
Look at my face!
What is it?
She tattooed him? They tattooed him!
That wasn't me.
But you dared him to do it.
Yeah, but I dare a lot of people to do a lot of things, okay? Come on, I'm not even with him anymore.
I know.
Right.
Die, Quinn.
Oh, a pity.
She had such a luck. Oh, this is the girl we don't know that killed those guys. Ah, she helped her!
Yes!
Oh my god, she helped her! Oh!
Oh my god, will they be like just chicks? Tim?
Can I help you?
Why, yes. Here's her.
Oh my god.
And what terrible crime is that?
This one.
Oh, I love her eyes. They're blue.
Meeting's over.
How she's shooting them with those. Oh, so cool.
Yeah.
Blinky.
Blinky.
Power. Oh.
Look at our background. Yeah. We just need smoke machine.
Mm. Oh.
But she's not actually killing them, right?
No.
It's just like for fun.
Yeah, it's fun. Oh. Nice.
Oh, she's amazing. I love her.
Find Cassandra Kane.
Know where the Harley Quinn is? Janky ass clown with bad eye makeup? Oof. Ouch. Harley Quinn's nothing without a master.
Oh.
And no one gives two fucks who we are beyond that.
Oh, she's so smart.
It's great.
He was suffering for her in the previous one. You
Yeah, he was
remember?
suffering, but I think he was kind of a bully and taking her as a toy, and she just want a family. But she's living her life with what she has to the max. Like us. Oh, please don't vomit now. Oh, what a nice.
Got room for one more?
Bruh.
Oh yeah!
Really,
Whoa.
Black Canary? Black Canary?
I need your help. I got this.
Oh.
Sure about that?
Oh, this is so cool that she's supporting her. Yeah, kick it, baby!
power!
Kick it, baby!
In the balls!
Yeah! Oh! Oh, I really love seeing
And
girls
Harley's like-
fighting. Like, it's so sexy.
And Harley's like,
I got this. Got this. Ooh, ouch.
That was
nice
amazing.
one. The little bird in a cage.
Touch what you can't afford, mister.
Oh.
Poor Harley. Oh, the diamond?
Oh. Don't tell me she did this. Ah, she's so good.
She stole it! The diamond!
Oh no.
Now the police will have it! No! This is a problem
Oh,
with
wow.
all the illegal stuff.
Yeah, when you keep things like this in your pocket.
Yeah. Eat that one.
Yeah. Whoa, she doesn't even know what she holds.
Yeah.
Storytelling business.
No.
No.
This dummy swallowing that dummy.
She's gonna eat it. Oh, you're so good.
Well, it's the only safe place.
I don't exactly need right now.
What?
No.
Wait, what? He wanted her to kill her? What for? She's the best thing Gotham City has.
I don't think they accepted this one.
And yeah, her fucking little neighbor.
Hey. Oh, she's so cute. Even
Yeah.
tied up.
Diamond back.
Actually,
Especially.
what am I speaking?
Oh, she's so amazingly cute and adorable and sweet.
Arlene. For all your noise and bluster, you're just
It's super bad how everybody's
little
speaking
girl.
to her like
No one around
she was always in the shadow of the Joker.
Yeah.
And now everyone can kill
And
her,
yeah,
fuck her, and no, I don't know what else.
And
Wait.
she can.
What?
Don't kill me.
Ah, right.
No, seriously. Romy,
She
Romy.
doesn't have any
Come on, there's gonna be
rights.
something we can figure out. Hey! Wait, you lost something, right? You lost something, I heard you say it. A diamond.
Ah, what?
Yeah.
She's gonna go search for the diamond. That's why she went back. She went in the police so to search for the
Seriously?
diamond.
Pinky swear. Cross my heart, hope to fight.
You're so tiresome.
Oh, bastard!
If you
Oi.
others, shove that hole in the middle of your face and listen.
Oh.
My diamond.
Maybe quite continental. These are the girl's best friend.
I love how she bited his finger while they were doing this. Oh, she lost it again. Ouch. Snap out of it.
I'll give you till midnight.
Ah, now.
Find Cassandra Kane. Okay, now we're good.
Now this moment came.
These
Back in the
bullets are so good.
Yeah. It's incredible.
It's written from gun.
Ah! Boomerang was on the wall. As wanted.
Who?
Boomerang, the guy with the boomerang from
Ah.
Suicide Squad.
Ah. So he escaped. What the hell, dude?
Hey! Oh! They have to go. Now! Ouch. Go! What are you waiting for? Why are you standing there? Go! Oh, shit.
It's a man's world.
Oh. At least she's good with the fighting. Oh. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, yes. Super
Villain landing.
I think we have one brain and just like sharing it. Did she get the diamond?
I think the kid ran. Oh, massacre! Yeah, they run together.
She sneaked.
Ah, she sneaked.
No,
Hey,
they're
Harley
not-
should be after her. Ouch.
How she had it behind.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
Good
she's
one.
also good.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Strike.
Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
I was thinking
Yeah.
she's going to take the.
No, I was thinking exactly about this, but I don't know how to say it on English. Buchalka.
Bow. I don't know. Bat.
Nice. Oh, so useful. I have to take something like this. Oh.
Oh! How these things happen? Is it possible that this happen in real life?
For sure.
Evidence? This
You
is
know-
a drug.
Evidence. This is, yeah,
Coke.
piles of coke. Oh, how heavy she is. That coke is. Oh,
Bring
Oh, she's gonna smash them.
Take one for later.
Oh, baby.
Evidence. Oh, oh, oh.
Oh yeah!
Oh.
Oh,
Finish him.
Finish him!
Oh,
Oh!
that hurted.
Ouch, this hurted for sure with this big guy. Hey, pick up someone your own size!
Ah, the kid will save the day.
Hey!
The beard?
Ah! Cool.
Ding-a-ling. Dee-dee-dee-ding. Does she have to keep running?
Ugh.
Drop it.
What? The phone? Ah!
Yeah, right.
Good.
Maybe she's gonna cut the mattresses so they can.
Who is that? Frida?
Frida Kahlo looking asshole.
I don't know nothing about no diamond.
Hey, little
Inflection
one.
in your voice, the way you can't hold eye contact, and the fact that you're a filthy little thief. All suggest that you do. Now you can give it to me, or I can give you to the man that diamond belongs to. But trust me when I say, you're not gonna like what he's gonna do to you. Now hand it over.
She's so good. Oh, and she have time till midnight. This is not happening. Oh.
What are you even doing here?
Make you a breakfast.
This way?
Or that way.
That's what I thought. Also,
She also took the knife, by the way.
consider this your first lesson. Pain is for dummies.
Really?
Oh.
Are you trying to stop Harley? For a few packets of potatoes? Oy.
Oh.
And she called it Bruce. After
Brucey.
Batman.
Oh, Bruce Wayne, yeah. Little
Because this is who the Joker is getting the most. This is so cute. Look, he has
Bruce.
a pink collar.
Yeah.
It's a beaver. Does Brucey want a tree?
They're doing the same with Shani. But not with me.
I thought it is jelly.
T-Rex or something? You don't know who that is?
For the first time, someone is knowing her, not the Joker.
My former partner in madness, the Harley Quinn of hate, the jester of genocide. You've never heard of him. Oh, sounds like a dick.
Oh.
I love the girl.
Wow. Nice.
Who are you?
They call me.
My bad. Should have introduced you. I'll make it quick.
I think I know the actress from somewhere, but I'm not.
Richest, most powerful mafia don in Gotham City. Helena Bertinelli.
And it's Italian.
Bertinelli. One day she comes home to find her whole family in the living room.
Ah, this is the rich family that
Anyone and
they killed.
Bertinelli blood is there. She has the murder stuff down, but the rest?
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Doing this all the time.
Who I am?
Do you know who I am?
Crossbow killer.
They call me.
Ah,
Crossbow killer.
They call me.
the crossbow.
Ah.
They call me. Huntress.
Ah,
Herself Huntress.
Cool.
And
Huntress.
fabulous, if you ask me.
Get on the table.
You're being a total kook.
He's acting a little like the Joker, like crazy.
Get up now.
But
I don't
without the
know.
nice part of the Joker. He's just like a jerk.
Yeah, he's just
Total
like-
dick. Dislike him.
Dance.
Hey, this is not cool.
Why?
I don't know, because he's trying to humiliate her.
Take it off.
Actually, the dress is really
Dress
nice.
off.
Oh, he's such a jerk.
Get up there and fucking cut it off her. Do it now. Take the fucking dress off. Just rip it off her. Hurry up. Hurry up.
You can just take it off with no breaking it.
Do it.
I don't know why he's... Oh, she's...
Betray me, would you?
Wow.
She just doesn't want to watch.
Just gonna go look for the girl.
I want you to stay here with me.
Oh, I think he did the same things to her.
Soothe me, little bird.
To the bird, like he was humiliating her and stuff.
The Huntress doesn't like
The
this.
Huntress. Yeah.
She's gonna hunt him down. This was so cool. No, Bruce!
Wait, what?
Don't tell me they killed the thing.
No! No! Fucking assholes.
Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I don't understand that. No one knew we were here. No one knew we were here except.
Who?
Oh my god. Doc!
I have enough now to open up a new restaurant. A really nice one.
Me.
Oh,
Just business.
Oh, everyone is betraying her.
she's gonna show them. I'm sure she's gonna show all of them that she's not just a property of the Joker. She can do it herself. Strong, independent woman vibe.
Yeah.
Show them, baby. Wipe those tears and.
Very pretty.
Oh, she doesn't want to give the kid. She likes her. Oh, Beaver. Yeah, she likes the kid, definitely.
I think you can manage a couple of little girls.
Oh,
Oh, Dick, I want you to be dead so soon.
they're gonna kill him.
Really hope so. I hope they cut his dick first. Don't tell me what to do. Kill them.
What? He saw her phone.
Car over now.
What? Wait, her phone was meet you there. Was
Take
it?
a leak.
On her phone was written meet you there and he saw it.
And?
Betrayed you, boss. He betrayed you.
Are you sure?
The little bird's a fucking rat.
I'll come to you.
Oh, perfect. Then you'll be dead for sure.
Oh yeah, right. He
What?
has the black mask.
Uh,
Yeah, they presented him before. Ah,
I don't like him.
I don't like him too. Look, this place. It's an abandoned amusement park.
Off. Yeah, you hit her unexpectedly and now you think that you can beat her. I thought you will be friends! For God's sake. You got fired and you still work for the police. Come on!
I don't know why. I really don't know why the people are doing this.
Like, they totally betrayed her. How she tightened her phone on the toilet. How someone betrays you and you continue working for it. Oh, she teased her.
You killed my sandwich. Yeah, this is.
Oh, this was so cool move. I loved it.
Bye-bye, Birdie.
Hey!
No fair.
Yeah, that's no fair.
Know her like I do.
Rip open her little tummy.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Now! Rip her open!
Huh?
Yeah!
Oh, wow. Oh, whoa! Girl power! Yay! She's so crazy. She's almost dead and she's like...
Oh, this whore again.
Didn't you die?
I'm just a terrible person, I guess.
And yet she's so adorable.
They call me.
Helena, for fuck's sake.
They ruined her. Her lyrics.
That is childhood trauma right there.
Yeah.
Everybody coming? Ah, the guy is coming also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
They need to kill him.
Fuck yeah. And now Robin Hood should shoot. Robin Hood. She won't like calling her this, but yeah, this is Harley Quinn style, I guess.
So, unless we all want to die, very unpleasant deaths.
Such a... Oh, look, they will be friends for sure. Stop screaming. I knew that they would be friends.
Dude,
Yeah.
they were working team.
Oh my god. So they will be friends with the cop.
But why? You know, the cop was fucking whore. I don't like her. She doesn't have a place there. Maybe
No, she has, because she's also betrayed.
Yeah, but I don't know. I hate her for so long so far.
Ooh. Oh, I like again how she's dressed.
Yeah. Follow me. Oh, I love them.
Oh, nice.
This is so cool.
I really love that they're girl team.
She just killed him that easy.
You are so cool. Okay.
Yeah, I was thinking there will be like this big fight and stuff, and in the tunnel.
Oh. Oh, I love how she smashes them with the hammer. Oh, the mirror room.
Oh, I've been in that thing. It's insane. I was drunk, of course.
Oh, more insane. They're taking it really Harley style, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really good. Show them, come on.
This space is so good. Oh, I wish that we go to visit this.
Yeah, right?
Hold on to this.
Oh, it will be so cool to go to...
To make pictures there.
Okay?
Oh, well, she's good.
By the way, to make those... Oh, this was so cool.
Yeah.
To make stuff like this is so cool. Like stunt things. Imagine how fun it was to make this movie.
You okay?
Gotta go this way.
With the rollers.
What did she have time to do? Shoot.
Oh. I love it.
I love it,
It's
but
amazing.
I'm wondering why the kid is so only hiding. Why doesn't she grab something and start hitting people?
I don't know. Maybe she's
At least not to be
used
so
Oh,
Ah,
maybe she's
cool.
stressed.
No time for stress here. Girl power.
Forgive me yet? Keep all food.
Hey.
Hey! Oh no. Yeah, they didn't kill him. They didn't think about that.
Why'd you guys do it all? Sexy and bulletproof.
Cool.
Sexy animal. Oh, yeah.
Can't let him get her. Just shoot.
Cover your ears! Better get her back!
What? Ah, you remember she broke that glass?
glass, yeah.
Yeah. She actually has power. Whoa.
Whoa.
Told you she had a killer voice.
Whoa.
Why didn't I give this attention?
Wow. That was good.
Whoa, such a good power.
Harley.
I think I have this power.
Yeah. You have it definitely. Oh, they're so amazing.
Girl power. Nice.
Little chit chat. Come on. Bye bye.
Oh, hit them with the roller skate, girl.
Oh. Wow.
Crazy bitch power.
Ding.
Tit. Nice.
Yeah. Wow. Oh. I cannot believe how cool she is. Oh. Oh.
Ouch.
Harley. Eh.
Oh.
Oi. Oi.
Ouch. Ouch.
Oi.
Oh, so close.
Oh, Harley, how can you be that cool? How can you fucking be that cool? My God. Ah, she entered in the fight. Yeah.
Nice. I love her moves. Oh.
Jump, kid.
Jump, kid.
Can the kid jump? Can the kid jump?
I don't know.
You're trying to kill me. I'm the only one who can protect you.
What?
You know you can't stand on your own, Quinn.
She can.
But me, you need me.
No, she doesn't need anybody. She can protect herself on her own. Look what she did to you. The one bullet.
One they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn.
The
last bullet.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I'm sorry, kid. And I'm sorry I tried to sell you. That was a dick move.
At least she realized
What
it.
it's worth. You made me want to be a less terrible person. If we're
Ew.
apologizing for shit, I should tell you something.
Excuse me.
I took your ring. My ring?
Oh, so cool. Oh. This was such a cool move. It was so easy.
That was so good.
They just killed him.
We're okay.
That was just so good.
Oh, I love her jumpsuit. Yeah, tacos, right?
Very impressive. It's a cross.
Oh, you remember how her old friends was speaking behind her back and she... Now she's making a new one and serving them
I
drinks.
love that fucking name, Huntress.
I love her new friends.
I love these cocktails. They look so tasty that I want to drink them all.
Kid, if that burrito doesn't make you shit, I don't know what will. Give me a minute.
But where in the toilet? Isn't that too dangerous? She should do it in some kind of a, I don't know.
We gotta clean this city from the inside out.
Does she always talk like the cop in a bad 80s
Fuck you and fuck you.
What?
I mean, we were amazing there.
How she get inspired for first time in her career
Yeah, right.
as a police girl.
How someone appreciated her.
Ah, skate?
What?
Why? Why she still on the car? Cool.
They call themselves the Birds of Prey. I call them dorky little do-gooders.
Alright.
And I found Bruce.
Ah.
He was wandering around Chinatown. These really do have nine lives.
Oh, look at the baby girl. How cute she is. Sandwich. I'm so hungry.
She has a red heart.
Oh, yeah. She's following her steps. Finally a sandwich. Yeah.
I'm going to check if there is something a little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
Was there the previous
Oh,
time?
the animations are so cool at the ending.
Mm.
No.
No. Let's continue checking for a little bit, something small.
No, nothing.
I loved it.
I really loved it also.
Harley Quinn is the most inspiring person I ever saw.
She's just like us.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why I think we
And
like her so much.
on some moment when what was it? When someone called her, I don't know, that she's fucking, I don't know, something offended her or something, and I just remember, and she was like, ouch. You remember that one?
Yeah.
And I just remember how someone will write me on Instagram, fuck you, bitch. And I was like, ouch. And it gets really funny.
It is funny.
Oh, thank you. I felt exactly the same way. Oh, she's so good. So amazing.
I really like her.
I love her. And I really like how she's like trying to be independent, kind of, but at the same time, like, she needs so much men, and everybody's making fun of her that she needs someone.
Yeah, but this
And
is giving
girls
her
like her.
straight, actually. Yeah, like, she doesn't need anybody.
Yeah, but
She can
you
do
know,
it herself. She's just used to be with somebody doing it for
yeah,
her.
exactly.
But the whole movie, she was doing it alone. She didn't need anybody.
Yeah,
just
exactly.
friends.
Yeah, she
Just friends.
she doesn't need anybody, but at the same time, you know, you kind of chasing that, and you are, no, I cannot be alone, and looking for someone. Like I know it because I did.
Yeah, and she
something
found
similar.
someone.
I can do things on my own, but it's like, oh no, and I need to stick to someone. I don't know. I really like this.
That's why she stick to the kid.
Yeah, it's important to find someone cool to stick with.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So yeah.
Yeah, and good news.
And?
There is one more. I don't know if it's officially released. You said no. We need to check when.
The
Birds of the Suicide Squad from 2021. It's written in Google, but can't.
I don't know about it. We'll see it. If it's coming out something new, it's gonna be fucking amazing.
Yeah. Let's go get drunk. Bye.
Bye.